our third day here in Bangkok, Thailand. At ating itinerary today is Pattaya, whole day city tour ng Pattaya. City tour, province tour yun. So, see you guys later in Pattaya. So, marami tayong pupuntahan doon. Nakakapagod buong araw po. So, see you guys! Ayun guys, good morning. So, vlog muna tayo before we're going to Pattaya later. So, ito ang neighborhood natin dito sa ating hotel sa Bayoke Boutique Hotel. So, katabi natin yung Bayoke Sky Hotel pero baka hindi na tayo makapunta kasi nga napakasiksik-liglig ng ating itinerary ng ating Thailand tour. Yeah. So, dito tayo sa biyahe ni Doc Marky dito sa Bangkok, Thailand. Neighborhood natin. Yeah. So, streets like Manila na street. Actually, para siyang Indian neighborhood yan. So, yan guys. Yan, Indian spices yan. Indian neighborhood siya actually. Welcome to floating market. Kanilang Buddha. Bilihan dito ako bumili ng bag yan. Bag. And guys, bili-bili. 100 baht. Yan guys. Ito ang kanilang morning market here. In, ano tawag dito? Dito sa Pratunam Market. Pratunam. Ito guys. We're here in Pratunam Market. Yan, bili-bili lang, tawad-tawad. So, let's vlog. This is the morning market here in Pratunam, Bangkok, Thailand. Yan. Yan guys, dami no? Mura pero parang mahal pa din, times 2, 1.7. Guys, so, hulas na naman tayo. Ilang minutes lang tayo naglakad, no? So, ngayon, is punta na tayo sa nandun na yata ating driver, papunta tayong Pattaya. Pattaya tayo ngayong araw na ito. So, nakita niyo ang neighborhood natin dito sa Bayoke Boutique Hotel. More on the Indian community. So, di naman na tayo bago sa mga Indian community kasi nung nasa Oman tayo, is Indian community din yung nandun sa ating malapit sa bahay. So, yan guys. So, tingnan niyo puro stores, Indian spices, restaurant. So, anyway, maayos na tingnan natin kung maayos natin yung vlog natin kasi nga itong cellphone lang gamit natin kasi yung ating DJI Osmo camera nasira. So ngayon, ito lang gamit natin ang ating Honor 90 camera. Yan guys. Hello guys, we are traveling to Pattaya. So, punta tayo ngayon ng Pattaya. It's a separate town from Bangkok and dun tayo mamamasyal. It's a long drive. It's 2 hours po ang biyahe natin from Bangkok to Pattaya, Thailand. So, let's go guys! Guys, we are here in Nongchuk Garden here in Pattaya, Thailand. So, different province tayo. So, ito, the Nongchuk Tropical Botanical Garden here in Pattaya, Thailand. And guys, Nongchuk. Ito ang kanilang sales office. Yan. And here is the entrance. Ticket to this guy. Hello guys. So, bigyan na. And guys, start na tayo ng tour.
Hi, so nice.
Ayan, Uncle. Welcome to Nocho. Nocho Garden. Ayan. So, pamunta tayo ng elephant show ngayon. So, mayroon tayo ng elephant show. Ayan na sila. Doon na daw, mama. Doon na daw. Punta tayo ngayon sa Elephant Theater. Manunod tayo ng elephant show dito sa Patay. Pupunta tayo sa elephant show. Here we go.
เหล่านางเทพอักษรร่ายรำด้วยท่วงท่าอ่อนช้อยงดงามเพื่อบูชาสักการะต่อองค์เทพเจ้า เทพอักษรศรีวนำรุง Dance an ancient dance
We are here in Nocho Patay Elephant Theater. Yeah. And guys, what is si Mama? Yeah. Hello guys, nandito tayo sa elephant show sa Nocho. Ayan. Kuya. Guys, so tapos na tayo ng elephant show and cultural show at kakain na tayo ng buffet lunch. So, let's go before we're heading to our Nunchuk Botanical Garden Tour. Hi! Guys, so ito ang kanilang buffet lunch dito sa Nunchuk, dito sa Pattaya, at kasali ito sa ating binanyara. So ito guys, ang buffet lunch natin is mix of Thai cuisine, vegetable, may pad thai, and may dessert din. Yan guys, so kasali ito sa binayaran natin. Yan, sila auntie, nangunguha, enjoy na enjoy sa pangunguha. And guys, meron tayong noodles, pad thai. Yan guys, ang sarap no? So ito ay libre lahat, buffet lunch. Yan guys, so ang sarap-sarap dito. Delicious. And may mga dessert pa, kakanin ng Thailand. Hello guys, after ng ating buffet lunch, so pupunta na tayo magtutour using this shuttle. Lilibot tayo ng buong Nunchuk's Botanical Garden. Hello guys, we are here on the Pottery Garden and Orchid Garden dito sa Nunchuk, Pattaya. Yan. So nandito tayo sa dinosaur sa Arashima Park, mga dinosaur area daw yan. Yan guys, yan. Dinosaur area. Welcome to Nunchuk Botanical Garden dito sa Pattaya, Thailand. Guys, so picture muna sila. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Nunchuk Garden. Yan. Guys, so Nunchuk sa Orchids Garden dito sa Nunchuk, Pattaya. Yan. So, we will go now sa ating next destination. Yan, puro siya orchids.
Nagadoon sa sa dinosaur.
Dito kami sa Dinosaur Farm.
Part
Dinosaur Farm.
Cactus Springs.
So yung ating rocks formation.
Guys, we are here in Nongchuk's Tropical Garden in Pattaya, Bangkok, Thailand. Yan. Bangkok, Thailand, Pattaya, Thailand. Guys, so nandito tayo sa Nongchuk sa Pattaya Botanical Garden. Sumali tayo kasi Bangkok, Thailand nilagay natin. Pattaya po, ibang probinsya, pero struggle is nilang akyat. Grabe! Pagod ng mga seniors. So, nandito na sila. Okay, so, picture ulit tayo. Ayan. Oh! Yeah. Ito po ang Botanical Garden ng Nongchuk. Pagod na. Pagod na kami. Ayan. Guys, pagod Ito ang Nongchuk's Garden dito sa Pattaya. So, napaka-short lang ng stay natin dito kasi group tour tayo. So, limited ang time. So, yan. Yung mga dinosaur, artificial dinosaur yan. So, ginawa lang siya para sa picture taking. Guys, nandito tayo sa Car Museum dito sa Pattaya, Nongchuk. Pattaya, Thailand. Yeah. Here's the worshipping Buddhist relics. Guys, we are here in the worshipping Buddhist relics. Yung Laser Buddha here in Pattaya, Thailand. Ay, so hulas na tayo kasi nga ang init dito sa Thailand, sa Pattaya. So summer dito. So yun guys, so vlog lang tayo and welcome to Laser Buddha, Pattaya, Thailand. Guys, ito yung Laser Buddha dito sa Pattaya, Thailand. So, welcome to Pattaya. Hindi ka makakapunta ng Pattaya kung di mo napuntahan dito. Yan. Yan guys. So, welcome. Sandali lang tayo dito kasi tayo ay nag-vlog. Finally guys, it's our last destination na sa Sanctuary of Truth. Dito pa din sa Pattaya, Thailand. So, let's go guys. Yung uncle.
Dito kami sa
Sanctuary of Truth Temple. One of the famous destination here in Pattaya, Thailand. Uncle. Pattaya. Pattaya pa din tayo.
Pattaya pa rin.
Nga po. Welcome to Sanctuary of Truth. Yan, dito sa Pattaya, Thailand. Hello guys. We are here in the Sanctuary of Truth. So, vlog, pahabol na vlog. So, yun guys. Let's go. Habulin natin si Auntie Helen. Yan. Nandyan lang siya.
Okay, right here. Okay.
Here.
6 o'clock in the evening, alright? That means you have more time, right? So right now, follow me first, take picture together, get inside, see the story. Then, after that, walk around until 6 o'clock. And right now, everybody, I think we should move, right? Okay. Anybody on the stairway, walk down here, receive payment. May I introduce myself? My name is On. I will try to give you information. Show. Alright. Take a look around, picture around, any kinds of artwork, woodwork, decoration. Put in chemical to control and prevent from termite and insect. Then draw pattern on wood like this. Then wood cover wood to become beautiful. This way. Alright. Then have a look at the model. The model scale 1 to 10. That means
Kala ko si Kuya ang model eh. Model ka daw, Kuya. Kuya.
Structure 170 pieces of pillar. Demonstrate here piece by piece before conduct the real work because a lot of detail.
Guys, here's the Sanctuary of Truth. Yes, Pattaya tayo. And welcome to Pattaya Sanctuary of Truth. Hindi ka nakapunta ng Pattaya kung hindi mo napuntahan ito.
You see some new to the museum. That's me, John.
And guys, so nakuli na tayo. Kasi meron tayong tour guide na sinusundan. So, papunta na tayo sa loob ng Sanctuary of Truth dito sa Pattaya, Thailand. Ngayon may cup, meron tayong construction cup para ewan ko kung anong meron sa loob. Bakit tayo nilagyan ng ganito protection for our head? Yan. So, papunta na tayo sa loob, guys. And welcome to my vlog here in Sanctuary of Truth dito sa Pattaya, Thailand. Punta na tayo sa entrance ng Sanctuary of Truth. So, yan. Nandun natin tour guide na English speaking. So, yan, guys. So, let's go.
Everybody has these 4 elements in the body. We are compound of these 4 elements. So I want to show you some sample. Then other elements in the body: air, gas, oxygen, and breathing. And the last one, energy. Everybody has these 4 elements in the body. That means we are the same. We equal, no matter who.
Hey guys, nandito pa rin tayo sa Sanctuary of Truth. Yan, so picture-picture. May kalugong pa tayo, hulas na tayo. Oh, yan. Guys, we are here, finished na sa Sanctuary of Truth. We are finished na for the our tour today, and it's final day here in Pattaya, and we will go back to Bangkok na and to Pratunam-Pala area. And yun guys, so here we go guys, and nakakapagod pero masaya naman yan. Nakapag-picture tayo, OOTD tayo dito sa Sanctuary of Truth dito sa Pattaya. Yan.